Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain how to change shading. Let's begin! Let's start! You can change the shading from this button on the upper right of the 3D view. Click the wireframe button and it will look like this. Wireframes are used when you want to see the internal structure, etc. because the surface is hidden and only the sides are displayed. Click the solid button and it will look like this. Solid shading is the default display when you start Blender, and the internal system automatically adjusts the light and shadows to display them. Click the button in the material view and it will look like this. If you've set materials or textures, you can display and check them. Click the render button and it will look like this. The render results will be shown for us to preview, so we can easily edit while checking the rendering result. You can set the details of each shading by clicking the button to the right of the shading button. If you press Z on the keyboard in the 3D view, the pie menu will be displayed, and you can also change the shading from here. You can change the display, non-display of gizmos, outlines, coordinate axes, etc. by clicking the Show Overlay button on the upper right of the 3D layer. You can set the details of overlay display by clicking the button to the right of the Show Overlay button. This is a lecture on how to change shading. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye!